So we have a new AI model from ByteDance, which is the same company from TikTok, and they named this model to be DreamO. So this model is an AI image model that is able to create a new image, but it can follow the character or the face that you have provided. So for example, here there is a picture of a big 3D character, and then the prompt is he's driving a fighter jet in the sky, and this is the same character but on a different environment. The same is true for this picture and also this picture, and it is possible to input more than one character and let AI to actually understand the picture and generate a new AI image based on the characters that you have provided. So this model is open source, which means you can technically run it on your computer, but I think it's going to be a bit too technical to get it running. So instead, if you want to use DreamO and you just want to see if this model any good, then you can navigate to this page. This is the official Hugging Face demo from ByteDance to try the DreamO model. And don't worry, I'm going to leave the link in the video description. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. Here, you can upload up to 2 images. This is the area number 1, area number 2. Now for this demonstration, I'll just upload 1 image, and I'll try to use this picture of a Japanese woman. I'm going to drag and drop the file in this area, and if you want to create a picture with multiple characters, you can do that. You can add another picture. Now for the setting, I think there's not much that you want to change. It's really optional. I think it's better to just leave to the default setting. And I'm going to change the height to be around 768. This is again optional, but I just want to make the picture to be more horizontal. And here I think I'm going to change the prompt. The prompt is going to be she is driving, or maybe not driving, riding a bicycle. And after that, I'm going to click the process button, the generate button, and just wait for Hugging Face to process all the image. So this process will usually take less than 20 seconds, just a few seconds long. And there you go, we got the same picture, or also, I mean, the same person, but on a different setting. So that's the power of this new model. I think it's pretty good, although when it comes to quality, it's not the best model at the moment, but it's always nice that we have a new AI model that is able to understand or follow the character, basically making the character to be consistent across images. So if you want to use it, again, I'm going to leave the link in the video description. And if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.